Hey everyone! Ready to discover the top natural anxiety remedies for 2024? Let's dive right in. First up, CBD gummies. CBD is making waves for its potential to help manage anxiety. Brands like CBDFX and CBD Distillery are leading the charge with their high-quality products. Gummies are discreet, convenient, and packed with potential benefits. But remember, when picking CBD products, consider the formula, potency, and desired effects. Always consult with your doctor before adding CBD to your routine. Next, let's talk about mindfulness. This powerful tool can help you combat anxiety and boost your mood. Research psychologist Judith Moskowitz emphasizes 8 key skills like savoring positive moments, practicing gratitude, and setting achievable goals. Incorporating these into your daily life can build a reservoir of positivity. A recent study published in JAMA Network Open found that mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR, is just as effective as the antidepressant escitalopram for reducing anxiety symptoms. And guess what? MBSR comes with significantly fewer side effects. So if you're looking for a natural remedy, mindfulness practices could be your new best friend. To recap, CBD gummies and mindfulness practices are 2 of the best natural remedies for anxiety in 2024. Both offer promising benefits with a lower risk of adverse effects. So why not give them a try? And always remember to consult with a healthcare professional to make informed decisions about your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the alert bell for more tips on living your best anxiety-free life. Stay calm and carry on with Peak Mind Provisions 369.